In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade to iOS 26 here on an iPhone. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. On top of that, if you do have any questions throughout the entire duration of this guide, ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment. So if you do have any, ask down there and I can help you out further. But first things first, if you do want to upgrade to iOS here on an iPhone, specifically iOS 26, go ahead and open up your settings app and scroll down on this page and select general. From here, what you're going to want to do is actually select the software update section. And at the very bottom, you're going to see an option that says upgrade now for iOS 26. You could either do update now or update tonight. It's completely up to you. Go ahead and tap on either of those, and it's going to give you a description of the update and the update size. From here, just hit update now or update tonight to get it done whenever you would like. Yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. Your iPhone is going to upgrade to iOS 26 whenever you tell it to. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.